Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forward from TradingWins.com, and this is our update for August 28th, 2016. Let's take a quick look at how the markets finished off last week. Well, we had a bit more of a volatile session on Friday after those comments from Janet Yellen early in the morning. She did make a mention that the case for interest rate hikes has strengthened, but really didn't give any indication on timing. Although later in the day, Fisher came out to say that 2 rate hikes are still possible for this year. So that caused a bit of a stir in the markets. By the end of the day, the Dow was down 53 points, the S&P 500 was down 3, and the Nasdaq was up 6. So a bit of a mixed picture on the close. But, are 2 rate hikes possible by the end of the year? I guess they are. I still think they're a long shot. But based on their language, I would expect at least 1 rate hike coming up soon. So that could make the fall session very, very interesting. Bonds did not like that. They were down about 81 cents on the day. Gold was fluctuated big time. It shot up early after those comments, then faded, finished higher by just over a point. And crude here actually was up about 31 cents or so. So not that big of a deal. I do want to go back, as I mentioned the other day. I did want to promise to go back and look at the weekly charts here today. So let's do that. And you can see that on the Dow, we look like we're in the midst of a bit of a pullback. Not nothing major, but just a retracement. Same thing on the S&P 500. And there's the Nasdaq. It looks like it's about to roll over. So, I wouldn't be surprised to see a bit of a pullback right now. But overall, we're still, I should say the bias is still to the upside. Now, before I let you go, a couple of things. Number one, Facebook. From a seasonality perspective, Facebook, we have about 5 years of data on Facebook. And every year during the month of September, Facebook tends to go higher. And over the past 5 years, on average, it's been about 11.9% higher every month of September. So what you really want to do is keep an eye on Facebook for a valid entry signal. Right now, the moving average is kind of flat, but we are heading into that September month. So I suggest keep Facebook on your watch list and look for a possible entry coming up very soon. Also, a reminder that we are having our next annual super conference in Las Vegas, Nevada on November 19th and 20th. And we're going to have a little bit of fun with this. We're having a contest. So just go to tradingwins.com/contest here. And we're going to be giving away 4 tickets. So 4 lucky winners will be able to join us for free in Las Vegas, Nevada in November. You can log in using any of these methods: email, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, you name it. Just click on one of those. That will take you to a page where you can enter your name and your email. And once you do that, you'll actually have an opportunity to earn additional entries to make it much, much likelier that you'll win. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel, get an additional 5, share it with a friend, and get an additional entry. So let's have some fun with this. Hopefully you can join us. It's going to be a fantastic super conference. We're going to have another great lineup of speakers and a whole lot of new content. So again, it's November 19th and 20th. 4 lucky winners will join us for free. Just go to tradingwins.com/contest. But that's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we will see you on our next update.